The University of Pretoria and several faculties within the University of Pretoria have been involved with crocodile and crocodile research for a number of years. Similarly, the Faculty of Veterinary Science has a long history of working with crocodiles, which goes back already to the 1970s. One of our extraordinary professors, Professor Hoogsemeyer, he has also written a book on the biology, husbandry and diseases of crocodiles, showing again the extent to which the faculty and South Africa has been involved in playing a leading role in crocodile science within the world. In 2012, the crocodile industry, together with some of the members of the faculty, requested whether the faculty will become involved in an application they were going to make to the DTI in the beneficiation of the crocodile industry. That application was successful. The role of the centre as technical partner was to undertake specific interventions across the value chain, starting upstream from the farm and going through the tanning process, the manufacture of products and the retail. And in our discussions with the DTI at the time, the request was then made to specifically include chairs in production and also trade and marketing. So it then changed the focus from just health and welfare to across the whole value chain. And for that reason, the centre then has with it 3 research chairs.
The chair in crocodile production is situated in the Faculty of Natural and Agricultural Sciences. It has a long-standing history of research in crocodile production. This new initiative is unique because it stretches the whole value chain. And what happens in the primary aspects of crocodile production influences what happens downstream. In other words, in terms on the product quality, which is extremely important. We currently have about 3 master students who focus on very specific and industry-related issues in crocodile production. The main projects include crocodile nutrition and nutrient requirements. The second project focuses on husbandry techniques, housing systems. And the third project will do a review on general crocodile production to get an idea of general management principles. And we hope to make a meaningful contribution to crocodile production in South Africa in order to improve its international competitiveness.
Our aim is to develop a clear product and industry positioning for exotic leather South Africa and to align our products with international needs. And that is where the marketing and trade chair comes in, because we need to do research to provide industry with information that can help them to better understand their international markets and consumers' needs.
To be able to farm effectively with crocodiles, we need to know the most common diseases affecting crocodiles. Most of the common diseases we don't even know the life cycles. If we talk about parasites and some of the other diseases we don't know the carriers. So we are studying some of the most important diseases, and we make use of postgraduate students. And by doing that, we're going to address some of the key issues, some of the questions that we don't have answers for. The students will do the research projects, and we will come up with solutions to some of the problems.
The centre primarily focused on crocodiles in the beginning. However, being an exotic leather centre, we also have a responsibility and are busy with work and research in ostriches.
Ostriches form quite a big part of the research we do because it is such a large industry. Historically, we've done a lot of risk assessment in terms of wild bird surveillance and the threats that they pose to intensive ostrich production. That's been a long-standing project. At the moment, we're also busy developing ostrich diagnostic tests, specifically for avian influenza. As a molecular biologist and a molecular virologist, we focus on disease aspects that impact ostrich production specifically.
So our purpose really is an independent structure within this organization to look at the science, to develop a research capacity, a strong research capacity, to develop norms and standards for the industry, cross the value chain, and then to also have an accreditation system.
I'm very excited to be involved with the Exotic Leather Research Center. As Fritz Hoogsemeyer was a pioneer 50 years ago, starting with crocodile diagnostics, we're following in his footsteps, and we're trying to create a big thing here to try and promote crocodile farming, try and promote the health of the crocodiles and also the welfare of crocodiles, so that we can benefit as South Africans from the export of crocodile skins.
So in summary, our vision is to become the leading resource in teaching, research and diagnostics, both for the crocodile and ostrich industry in South Africa, and to be internationally recognized for these activities.